Miss Brissett, I send in the email address then. I'll just take it from this. So, yeah?
Yeah, Whisper. May have your digits already, you know. Send your email right away. Because we don't deal with email, you know.
So, Vicious, are your email address that? NainishaBrawlingShop.com. Brother, try change that here.
Vicious. You're a businessman now, you know. You have to graduate from that, yeah.
So, me don't think I business one me use, my friend. How the power?
What going with Butcher? Good.
I'm telling you, who I'm that link with.
The only thing you might tell me about Miss Brissett, well, what a happy day when Jesus won.
You know the wrong way this for start though. Because if you don't want we to help Uno, on the half level we do it. A drive-by shooting happen around on the ground. And a friend get shot. On the need to make you know who involved. If you don't know.
You know what I said? The worst part of it is, I want him get shot. So him face the shooter.
So, yeah, say it is.
Well, I just say Miss Brissett, I miss upfront with you straightforward. You see a link where I'm did hide, I'm not tell you about. I want to call the link name Sipa.
So the same youth where that cause problem at 21. At him, Butcher go link with.
And him sure say him are the driver and the shooter.
Whisper, him sure. Remember you say it, you know. Him face the shooter. And then go come.
And one thing I not understand. Why it take so long for tell him when he knows the Siva still out there and he can't circle back the block.
Right now, Miss Brissett, I just shame face, you know. I do something we never did to do.
And then, just remember, so we have a couple face on the block, see? So if anything go on, no move. Then we deal with it.
Well, that's the next thing we need to talk to you about in a whisper, Miss Brissett. You see me? We need to know who is who and who are your people them. Because certain things that are going on the block right now. It's not right to do it. So we don't want to make them miss up.
Certain things like
Right now, two girls get taken away in our community. Some phone thing. The man them a put powder upon phone and I knock out the girl them and I draw them away.
So, bossy, somebody never put shades on a case like that.
yeah, you know. But me think that they deal with already.
You can give it all about.
Yeah. Maybe it get deal with in a town, but it reach over here so now. And we can't afford for no more females that get taken away. Tell you the truth.
So what the condition of the female then?
Well, I want to tell you, say them get violated, you know. Like the boy, them rape them. But them get fine back still, you know. But the problem is them can't remember nothing.
Alright. We take care, right?
You are going. I make you know the lead soldier to the team. So when you see me, you know, say I am there. But remember, nobody else nothing.
Now, if I tell you that, bad man. But we don't go police inform away, you know, my dog.
Remember when that's the grades them over here. Who did know?
Yeah, man. Just keep it away there, isn't it?
Yeah. We don't depend on the work. We don't want something to drink. Got celebration again, you know.
Yes, sure.
Give me a Malta.
Don't know my style already.
Cool.
Miss Brissett, Malta, you're going idea, yeah? Strong woman like you.
Delicious.
You want to sit strong.
Malta.
Yo, I'm full in them. Bro, you hear that?
One of their drinks are morning.
Yeah, I
You're
take
full.
2 shots earlier, man. So you know it things go already. If I come here, then.
You take 2 shots earlier.
Mika, where say we need in a bar again?
Yeah, what you say?
A case of Heineken, a case of Guinness, a case of Dragon in a Malta with it, you know.
Alright. I'll move on the road and I'm going to deal with that. Hello?
Hello, Alfred.
Voice that sound familiar. Who this? Sister Nicey?
Yeah, how are you?
I'm good, you know. It's been a minute.
I know. I had a little issue with my daughter, so I had to go overseas for a while to take care of her.
Oh, sorry for hear that. Hope I'm nothing too serious.
No, man, everything is fine.
So you're still overseas or you're the back on the ground?
I'm back home now.
That sound good. Well, I hope we can link up on a day then, have a drink and all that talk.
I'm sure we can arrange that.
Yeah, man, I like how that sound. Yeah, man, so is a new number this?
Yeah, you can save it.
Alright. So, I'm going to do that. Whole a reason when I do them here.
Okay,
You got yourself.